Hey folks, TNT Neon here. Well, here's go flight. We're gonna do a wind test on the Gaui 330X, course by Gaui. This is a full kit you can get from helicopterhobbies.com for $400. What it do? It come with 4 Scorpion motors, 4 ESCs, and the fly ballers gyro quad system. Also, all you need is receiver and batteries. You see on the bottom I have a camera mounted. You can also get that from helicopterhobbies.com. 60 bucks for it. All right, let's do it. And also, you see the mount, it comes with the mount also, where I bend the mount for it to fit. All right, let's have a flight test. Let's have a wind test. We get about 15-mile-an-hour winds through here, so let's see what it can handle. Seem to handle it pretty good. Think I got my gyro set at 80% on the gain. They ask you in the system to put it in plane mode, but it's not a plane, so I put it in heli mode for the reason so I can have my throttle hold. And like I said, it's a heli, it ain't a plane. So why put a heli in plane mode? It's handling this wind pretty good. Like I said, we getting about 15-mile-an-hour winds. The gyro is trying to keep it nice and level. Alright, let's settle down and see if I need to. I'm turning the gyro down some. And see how it do with the gyro down some. Probably a little too sensitive. Let's see who just called me a while ago. All right. Got the gyro at 70. It's handling this wind pretty well. I think I like it at 80 better. Let's see what 85 feel like. It's trying harder, it's trying better to keep the wind from taking it. Like I said, we getting about 15. I'm thinking about 16 now, 16, 17. It's pretty windy. And you can actually see the lights that I got on it. It's pretty windy, folks. So it's handled it real good. Alright, folks. This is, like I said, just gonna be wind trial and that, testing it and everything. We back at 80. 80 feels better. Thing moved pretty good at a pretty good clip too. And I'm running a 3S pack on this. It can fly with a 2S pack, but I'm running a 3S. Speed controls on it can handle up to 4S, but I think the motors is on it can only handle up to 3S. Alright folks, like I said, this is just a wind test. See what it can handle. We getting pretty good winds now, real good winds. Alright. Alright folks, that's the flight of the Gaui 330X in the wind. As I always say, God is good all the time. And like I say, you can pick this quadcopter up at helicopterhobbies.com. As I always say, God is good all the time. TNT out.